In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download IMDb app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official IMDb app installed and ready to go using the safest and most reliable method. We'll use the Google Play Store, which is the recommended place to get Android apps because it verifies developers and scans for safety. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your phone or tablet. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the top. Type the word IMDb into the search bar. As you type, you might see suggestions pop up. What you're looking for is the official app named IMDb Movies and TV Shows. Make sure the developer listed is IMDb. This is important because there can be lookalike apps and you want the real one. A good sign you found the legitimate app is the download count. The official IMDb app has over 100 million downloads on Google Play. That number, along with the developer name, helps confirm you're in the right place. When you found IMDb Movies and TV Shows by IMDb, tap Install. Your device will start downloading the app. Depending on your connection, this might take a moment. If you're on mobile data and want to save bandwidth, connect to Wi-Fi before installing. You'll see a progress bar as it downloads and installs automatically. Once it's finished, tap Open to launch the app right away. You'll also find the IMDb icon added to your home screen or app drawer for easy access in the future. A quick but important note on safety. Always download IMDb from the Google Play Store. Avoid unofficial APK websites, even if they promise faster downloads or modified features. Those versions can be unsafe, outdated, or altered in ways that put your device and data at risk. Sticking to the Play Store keeps things secure and ensures you get updates directly from the official source. When the app opens, you can start browsing immediately. You don't need an account to look up movie and TV information, cast details, trailers, and what's trending. However, if you sign in, you unlock helpful features like saving titles to your watch list and rating what you've seen. You can choose to sign in now or skip and do it later. The app will work either way. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the official IMDb app on Android using the safest method. Enjoy exploring, tracking your favorites, and discovering what to watch next. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.